let us unveil the range that is going to. We launched this product. This is called the Smokeless Grill. All your needs are met by this. This is the product that is there. The next one, I think. This is again a product which is called the Fry Cook. This is again a product that is called the Fry Cook. This is a product that apes an Indian pressure cooker. It is 80% as effective as Indian pressure cooker. It has got preset menus for all. So if you really look at it, there is meat, idli, dal, for everything. There is this, and it also has an air frying function. So this is your pressure cooker, this is your baking instrument, and this has got the air frying option in this. I'm sorry, even this is new for me. So this is the air frying lid. You will have the entire pressure cooker. You have a product for frying. You can do baking and grilling on this product and complete pressure cooking in this.
But I also feel that for me, very important part of all these utensils and everything is cleaning.
Yes.
Yeah.
मैं 80% अपने रेस्टोरेंट में चिल्लाता हूँ सफाई के लिए, 20% खाने की सर्विस के लिए, 80% चिल्लाता हूँ सफाई के लिए. Because I get crazy when things are not accessible for cleaning. आप देखने में मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको कि कैसे ये सब के सब products are absolutely friendly for people who are using them for the first time also. आपके cleaning का issue मैंने बात की. मुझे बोला था सतनाम वाई ग्रुप पहले बोलना, आपको देखने याद आ गया, तभी बोल सकते हैं. But I feel that for me it's very necessary that the cleaning element is a part of it. We don't want a trouble in the kitchen as a new gadget. We want this to incorporate into your life so seamlessly, and that has been a very big, difficult part of kitchen evolutions around the world. Because people are still skeptical, they still feel that these are unfriendly. अब पहली बात करें जो मेरा favorite है अभी तक वो dual airfryer है. Dual का इसलिए because my mom is vegetarian, my sister was vegetarian, I'm a meat eater, and having one single fryer जो इतना बड़ा है जिसके लिए आपका proportion भी बहुत ज़्यादा है, I feel that that was totally not practical for me. I bought 2 air fryers before I even came with Bergner, but the duality का बहुत important issue है for a country sensibility. There is no other nation besides India which has this very clear defined line between vegetarian and non-vegetarian. In the Western or the first world countries, vegetarian is always a side dish. When we cook in big kitchens in America, they will always say, "Oh, that's vegetarian." No, that's not vegetarian. That's just a side dish. So what is the main dish? They'll ask you. So steak main hai, fish main hai, chicken main hai. ये side पे जाएगी. But India में we give that honor to vegetables. I think that's the only movie vegetables perform in the world where they are heroes here. तो मुझे उसके लिए from that duality point of view, this became easy for me because nothing will ever touch. Wife is always on the right side, or woman is always on the right side, so she can choose her side. कि right side में मैं हूँ, मेरा वाला ये है. Right, whatever she chooses, veg or non-veg. And we must have a way. We discuss that we talk about the big thing in the room. You must talk about the beautiful lady in the room. You must talk about Roshni Chopra. Roshni ji, thank you so much.
I'm mesmerized looking at you and hearing about all of this, and वो pressure को how can it be? I'm thinking ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता.
मैं सोच रहा हूँ कब बुलाऊँ जब मुश्किल काम खत्म हो जाए. मैंने कहा नहीं पहले बुलाओ, इनके हाथ भी गंदे कराओ.
नहीं, मैं तो I love cooking and I'm such a big fan of yours, and it's such an honor to be here.
Thank you.
How amazing does all of this sound?
The problem is that this has been evolving for many decades now.
Yeah.
People came to know now. There have been many series of products of many corporations which just could not function. Now this is the product of massive research and evolution. Right side पे आप आ गए. I'm on the not the left side, wrong side.
So air fryer is one of my favorite things to cook with. I love to cook crispy bhindi, sweet potato fries. सारी जो दुनिया की वो fried yummy चीजें हैं.
But you feel it's in same taste what you get that with fries?
I know it isn't the exactly same taste. I'm being lying, but you get the crispiness.
नहीं, मैं झूठ बोलता नहीं.
But crispiness.
तो पैसे में तभी मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता. It cannot get that. But if you look at the check boxes of health factors, I would say this is better. I'll tell you why. जब आप oil में fry कर रहे हो, you're also wasting that oil,
Yeah.
right? Non-stop. वो भी बहुत ही I'm sure people who are cooking at home for themselves or small families. बड़ी families में तो तेल खाया जाता है अगले दिन. But छोटी families में क्या होता है कि you don't know what to do with it, right? And you don't fry every day. And the heaviness. एक oil की बात कर रहे हैं और दूसरी बात करते हैं heaviness. You feel totally light and you feel that you did justice to your own organs. Right? So जो check marks करते हैं हम कहते हैं ठीक है थोड़ा टेस्ट में फर्क है वो नहीं आ सकता.
नहीं थोड़ा बहुत तो हम ना आधा लाइक वी मेक करेला तो उसका मसाला भून लेते हैं हम फ्राइंग पैन में और फिर उसको करेले में डाल के इसके अंदर डाल देते हैं. तो वी आर लाइक halfway house basically.
So what we do is that there's one veg and one non-veg. The beauty of this is that when you press this, right, it's going to tell you how to do the 1 or 2. ये आपको बताएगा आप ये वाला ऑन है आपने कहा नहीं ये नहीं ऑन करना ये करना. So you can go back to this. You can see how the two are totally differently operated. This is a beautiful part which I feel so interesting is that they are not asking you to use your brain. वो कह रहा है ये इस साइड का है खोलो इसको. खोल दिया एक टाइम पे एक करना. बस ये याद रखना. ये बेचारी मशीन है ये कंफ्यूज हो जाएगी. रोशनी के जल्दी ये भी खोल दे फटाफट.
और क्या पता है इतनी सुपर ह्यूमन मशीन है.
पता क्या बात है we are giving them we are feeding instructions to them. We cannot be confusing them. So when we open one side we know it says it's open now. It's asking you to place whatever you want. We have prawns here. So easier way for me is ये मतलब आधे वाली बात मुझे पसंद नहीं आती. So these are just prawns which are marinated with kolhapuri masala. You just need to place it. You also have to remember that this is the machine which is operating, so you need to put things in single layer.
So we are not coating this with any oil, butter, nothing. We don't need.
If you want, you can spray a little bit of oil.
Okay, oil spray here. Okay.
अगर करना है आपको कर लो, नहीं करना तो.
We don't need to preheat it.
No.
You don't need what?
Preheated.
No, it's not.
No. मेरी बात सुनो आप प्री हीटिंग का कितना आपके लिए मुश्किल होगा फॉर द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कि आपने इसे खोल के वापस डालना है. हाउ विल दिस ऑपरेट? मेक सेंस राइट? इजी. अगर आपको ऑयल स्प्रे मारनी है आप मार दें. अगर आपको नहीं मारनी इट डजंट मैटर. इतना कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आई हैव ट्राइड एवरीथिंग. आई हैव ट्राइड बोथ. आई हैव ट्राइड नीचे लेयरिंग. आई हैव ट्राइड नीचे पत्ता रख के कुछ करना है. इतना कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. इट इज एन अगेंस्ट इट्स अमेजिंग मैकेनिज्म. आई एम गोना शो यू. नाउ वी गो बैक टू दिस. वी ऑन पार्ट 1. Now Roshni, you're going to do this.
Yes, sir.
She hasn't used it till now.
I haven't used it.
On
And I'm not good with machines.
1. वो प्रॉन्स ढूंढ लो कहाँ पे ऊपर.
Prawns इधर है.
दिख गया?
हाँ जी.
तो स्टार्ट कर दो फिर. उसके
क्या
बाद
वो टेम्परेचर टाइमिंग
कुछ नहीं है. स्टार्ट. That's it.
Wow. Are you serious? Because half the time I'm trying, then I go on Google and see अच्छा 180 है कि 160 है कि
But see, it's 200. It's going to be there for 18. मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ एक बार पहले खोल के देखना चाहिए. It's eventually a machine. Machine is not understanding many things about those prawns. उनका टेम्परेचर क्या था जब हमने अंदर डाला उसको मशीन को इतना कुछ नहीं पता. तो let's use our intuition and open this in 18 minutes. That's it. So your hands are free totally. Now you can go and entertain and be.
Stay tuned for our next celebrity event. Bye bye.